Hello and welcome to another update video about render. On the render chart, we continue to see this uptrend play out. The dashed line, our dashed trend line did hold, and we see that render is about to push above resistance, not to all-time high territory, at least not yet. Instead, we try to break above this third wave high, and it seems like it wants to get to our next $4.20 target. Yeah, so the breakout point is $2.96. A break above it can send us to $4.20 plus. Okay, so that doesn't mean it needs to be finished there. In fact, if we see this as a fifth wave to the upside, and this move up, which topped here around $2.70 a few weeks ago, early November, end of October, if that was a wave A, the pullback was a wave B into our trend reversal support area here, well, then I have to say, if this is a C wave, then yeah, $4.20 will be a little bit shallow. So what we do is to take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and the 1-to-1 ratio is actually $4.20, but that's really only the bare minimum it really should do. So there's good Fibonacci confluence at that level. It's the 1.618 extension of the 1-2 setup down there. And it's the 100% extension of the A wave. So that gives us a nice target. That's, I think, probably where I communicated it anyway, but it's like $4.20 plus, yeah. So it could go higher than that. The level afterwards, which we need to watch, is $5.36. It's the 1.786 extension. And then the 1.618 extension of the A wave, which takes us to $6.82. And if we get above that, then we need to reevaluate where we are, but that is already quite a decent move anyway. First of all, we should focus on the 420. So first of all, we should focus on, okay, can the price actually push above the $2.96, $2.97 level? Yeah, this is the previous swing high. Well, actually, it's 290, but the 1.38 extension is at 297. So there's a bit of a combination of levels there. And that's what we need to get beyond. And then we can probably get quite quickly, I'd say, to the $4.19, $4.20 level, which is also here one of these previous swing highs. I call that a B wave, pretty much at that level. So yeah, overall, render is following the trend, okay? A while ago, and I think that was end of October, communicated to you this setup here, this B wave, but it was extremely shallow. Now, whenever you deal with a B wave, you need to be prepared for that. B waves can be very shallow. They can also be very deep. That's a bit of a problem. Nevertheless, our support area was reached and the price turned around. To be fair, you would have only bought here with a limit order. And now we're moving, okay? So in terms of, you know, what to do, well, the setup was here, right? So if you want to enter now, you have to do this as a breakout trader, basically. And all you can do really, in my opinion, is to set a stop below the 10th of November low, which means it's far away. So the position needs to be tiny, yeah, unless you have any other edge or use another method. But that's obviously beyond an analysis video, yeah. So that's where we are. Hope you liked the update about render. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.